Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. What we're going to do is we're going to search for some Word files and some text files on the desktop. But before, so we've got some Word files here. I'm just going to rename this and make it look a bit easier. I'm just going to rename it to A. So make sure this is a Word file. Whoops, I don't particularly want that. So let's have a look at properties on here. Okay, we'll go for that. So this is a newer Word file called .x extension. Okay, and we're going to create a text one, which is going to be called B, something like that. So we've got a .x and a B text file. So let's go back, let's start creating the program. So create a function called search, here files, and we're going to create a path to the desktop, which for me is going to be C users mark desktop. And then we're going to have to import OS in here. So I'm going to import the OS module. Import OS. So that's going to be os.chddir. Change directory to this path here. So we're going to change directory and we're going to be in this path. Now this is the path to my desktop, it's not the path to your desktop, so you'll have to find your own unique desktop path. Right, I'm going to create two variables, one called Word because we're looking for Word files. I'm going to assign it to an extension which is going to be .x for that one, and then text files. And let's just get this out of the way. Assign that to .txt there. Okay, now we're going to go on to the code. I'm just going to move this up a little bit so I've got a bit more space. Let's move that up a little bit. Now we're going to go on to the code. So we're going to start off with a for loop. So for file in os.listdir. So this is going to loop through the directory, which is going to be the path. I'm going to do a conditional. So if file, so when we loop through that, if file.ends with Word, or file dot ends with text, we're going to do something. We're going to print. We're going to format it here. So print, we're going to format there. Let's have a look. File. Oops. File found. Else we're going to say print files not found. Okay, now all we have to do is just to call the program, which is going to be search files. We're just going to save this and we're going to see if we've got any of these files on the desktop. So let's run the program. Okay, so what it does, yeah, let me just make that bigger for you. it'll go through all the files on the desktop, and if it doesn't come to those particular files, it will just print out file not found, file not found. And then when it comes to the actual files, it will print them out here. So we can see that it's found a .txt file here, and it didn't find. Okay, yeah, it found that other one, eating out in Thailand.x file, and it found another file here, a.x. So basically it kind of loops through every file until it finds the files that we're looking for. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that, and remember, give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.